Very important in this facing operation that we just take a few thousandths off of the face of the receiver. We don't want to drastically change any dimensions that we may encounter in the receiver. I've seen some individuals make a mistake and machine as much as 30 thousandths off of the face of the receiver, and it's totally unnecessary. I've never run across a receiver that was out more than 3 or 4 thousandths, and every now and then we get lucky and have one that runs true from the get-go. Alright, we'll just come in contact with the face of the receiver, and we're going to machine approximately 3 thousandths off of the face of the receiver and true it up. The back side of the lug. We'll end up doing this several times to lap everything in place. When you get ready to lap, it's real important that as we're closing the bolt, we're pushing it forward as far as it will go, and that will allow us to have lapping compound between the locking lugs on the bolt and the locking abutments in the receiver. If not, if we just close the bolt as we would in a normal loading stroke, it wipes all of our valve grinding compound off, and we have a very difficult time, and it'll take us a lot longer to achieve the same thing. So push it forward as we close it, and then allow it to spring back, keeping that compound between the two surfaces. Nice short up and down strokes. We don't want to open the bolt past the cocking cam, or closing cam rather. Nice short strokes, working those lugs back and forth, 15, 20 opening and closings of the bolt. Pull the bolt to the back. We'll loosen it up in the vise. We can see on the inside how this... And place our cutter on the center line top edge of the stock, and we're going to cut this cavity to a depth of 1 inch 275 thousandths. This parallel is being used as a reference mark. We bring our cutter down in contact with it and remove it, and then take up the difference in depth, which is 170 thousandths. All right, we're now ready to make the chips fly. We'll bring our cutter over here close to the end of our length. And see how well the rifle is going to shoot on the target. As you can see,